Welcome to our video. Today, we're exploring the best rice cookers for Jasmine rice. We'll show you the top models that cook fluffy, fragrant rice perfectly every time. Check the description box for product links and more details. Plus, stay tuned for a game-changing tip. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker is a budget-friendly option that delivers consistent, high-quality results for everyday rice cooking. With an 8-cup capacity and simple one-touch operation, this rice cooker makes it easy to prepare fluffy, perfectly cooked rice for family meals. 8-cup capacity. The Aroma Housewares rice cooker has an 8-cup capacity, which is ideal for feeding a family or having leftovers for later. The non-stick inner pot makes it easy to scoop out the cooked rice without any sticking or mess. Simple one-touch operation. Preparing rice with this cooker couldn't be easier. Just add the rice and water, press the cook button, and walk away. The automatic keep warm function switches on once the rice is done, so it stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to eat. Included steamer basket. In addition to cooking rice to perfection, the Aroma Housewares cooker also comes with a handy steamer basket. This allows you to steam vegetables, fish, or other proteins while the rice is cooking, making it a true one-pot meal solution. Why it's great. For a budget-friendly rice cooker that consistently delivers great results, the Aroma Housewares Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. Its simple design, one-touch operation, and versatile steaming capabilities make it a practical addition to any kitchen. At number 4 is the Zojirushi NPHCC 10XH Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NPHCC 10XH is a premium rice cooker that delivers exceptional results thanks to its advanced features and thoughtful design. As a leader in the rice cooker market, Zojirushi has set a new standard with this model. Versatile cooking options. This 5.5-cup capacity rice cooker offers multiple texture settings, allowing you to customize the consistency of your rice. It also includes settings for white rice, brown rice, and porridge. Induction heating for precision. At the heart of the NPHCC 10XH is its induction heating system, which heats the inner pan directly using electromagnetic induction. This allows for incredibly precise temperature control, ensuring your rice cooks at the optimal temperature from start to finish. The result is consistently fluffy, perfectly cooked rice. Platinum-infused inner pan. The platinum-infused non-stick inner cooking pan is a standout feature. The platinum helps to improve water quality, resulting in better-tasting rice with an improved texture. The non-stick surface also makes cleanup a breeze. Why it's great. The Zojirushi NPHCC 10XH is a top-of-the-line rice cooker that delivers exceptional results. Its precision induction heating, versatile cooking options, and thoughtful design features make it a worthwhile investment for any home chef. At number 3 at our list is the CUCKOO CR0655F rice cooker. The CUCKOO CR0655F rice cooker is a fantastic option for home cooks looking for a high-quality, yet affordable rice maker. With its advanced features and intelligent cooking technology, this model delivers delicious, perfectly cooked rice every time. 6-cup capacity. The CR0655F has a 6-cup capacity, making it ideal for small to medium-sized households. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding the whole family, this rice cooker has you covered. Fuzzy logic and intelligent cooking. This model utilizes fuzzy logic and an advanced cooking algorithm to adapt the cooking process to different rice varieties. From fluffy white rice to fragrant basmati, the CR0655F ensures consistent, restaurant-quality results. Easy to clean inner pot. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze thanks to the non-stick, removable inner pot. It wipes clean easily, saving you time and effort. Why it's great. The CUCKOO CR0655F is a fantastic rice cooker that offers excellent performance at a very reasonable price point. Its intelligent cooking algorithms, turbo function, and easy-to-clean design make it a versatile and user-friendly appliance for any kitchen. At number 2 is the Tiger JKTD10U rice cooker. The Tiger JKTD10U is a premium rice cooker that delivers exceptional performance, especially when it comes to cooking long-grain varieties like Jasmine rice. With its advanced induction heating system and specialized cooking settings, this model is a fantastic choice for home chefs who take their rice seriously. 5.5 cup capacity. The JKTD10U has a 5.5 cup capacity, making it well-suited for small to medium-sized households. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, this rice cooker can handle your needs. Induction heating system. Unlike standard rice cookers that use conventional heating elements, the JKTD10U utilizes an advanced induction heating system. This ensures even, consistent heat distribution for perfectly cooked rice every time. Long-grain cooking setting. This model features a specialized long-grain cooking setting that is optimized for long-grain rice varieties like Jasmine. By precisely controlling the temperature and cooking time, this setting brings out the best in these delicate, fragrant rice. Why it's great. The Tiger JKTD10U is an exceptional rice cooker that truly shines when it comes to cooking long-grain rice like Jasmine. Its induction heating system, specialized cooking settings, and easy-to-clean design make it a joy to use. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is a top-of-the-line appliance that takes the guesswork out of cooking perfect rice. With its advanced fuzzy logic technology and specialized cooking settings, this model delivers consistently delicious results, whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or even porridge. 5.5 cup capacity. The NSCCC10 has a generous 5.5 cup capacity, making it a great choice for small to medium-sized households. You'll be able to easily prepare enough rice for the whole family with this cooker. Fuzzy logic technology. At the heart of the NSCCC10 is Zojirushi's renowned Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. This intelligent system constantly monitors and adjusts the cooking temperature and time to achieve optimal results, no matter what type of rice you're preparing. Multiple rice settings. In addition to the standard white rice setting, this model offers specialized settings for sushi/white rice, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, and brown rice. This allows you to perfectly cook a wide variety of rice types. Why it's great. The Zojirushi NSCCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is a true standout in the world of rice appliances. If you're in the market for a high-quality, feature-rich rice cooker that can handle any type of rice, the NSCCC10 is an excellent choice. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi NSCCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker as our best value option, and the CUCKOO CR0655F Rice Cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. For consistently perfect Jasmine rice, choosing the right rice cooker is key. A reliable model ensures fluffy, aromatic results every time. Prioritize features like precise temperature control and dedicated settings for Jasmine rice.